Well, well, well. It is in Hollywood and the squares.
Hey, Malcolm, I didn't know you worked at Kmart. And apparently the hair on top of your head didn't know it either.
What?
Do me a favor, go like this. I think I got something in my teeth.
What?
You know, next time you should use that Chia Pet stuff on your whole head.
What?
Why is Higgins buying OJ's knife right now?
Think you're tough?
Hey, Malcolm, is that the knife the Indians used to half scalp you with?
I don't even get that. What?
Oh, come on, let's cheer him up. Benny Hill style. Here we go.
Come on,
Does that make you feel better?
Yo, Crocodile Dundee. I had to go with the kid.
Good, good. He's in school.
Kid's in school for one day?
I didn't know what else to do. He's a thug, Lenny. He cut the head off a teddy bear. Imagine what he'll do to me.
So you're gonna buy this to cut his head off?
No, I just want him to think I'll cut his head off, so then he won't cut my head off.
If you want to scare a relative without causing permanent injury, may I suggest this?
Sir? Sir? Can you get off the bed? It's wake-up time! All right, Grandma, I'm up! Stop yelling at me! Now, why is being mean? I like sleeping over. You don't yell. You don't have to yell at me. I love you. I don't understand. Clean up aisle 9.
Get out of me!
And bring a shovel.
So my son Bumpty told me he's gonna ask your daughter out on a date at school today.
First of all, my daughter's never been out on a date before. And I'm sure she's not gonna start off with some kid named Bumpty.
He is the only other black kid in her grade. Wait, you want her to date a white guy?
Yeah, Farrakhan. I'd rather she date the whitest white guy in the world than your little bald-headed boy.
All right, but you know, don't worry when she says yes, because I already had the talk with him.
What talk?
Dating? I told him how we used to roll with the ladies in high school. You know, beep, beep.
I should get some pepper spray for my kid. Some moron on the bus keeps messing with him and he refuses to fight back.
You know, that reminds me of someone I know.
Who?
You!
What are you talking about? I got in plenty of fights.
Remember 9th grade when Tommy Cavanaugh moved here from Texas? He non-stop abused you and you did nothing about it.
Tommy Cavanaugh was a roid freak. He had back zits on his back zits. Plus, he was joking around with me. If it was real, I swear to God, I would have knocked him out.
Hey, isn't that Cavanaugh right there?
Where?
Gotcha!
Really funny, man. Really funny. Hey, you weren't exactly Captain Courageous when we were growing up. Now, were you?
Hey, I never backed out of a fight, though.
Yeah, but did you ever jump off Suicide 35 at the quarry?
Oh, that's right! He always came up with a lame excuse not to do it. Oh, I can't. I'm on my period. It'll attract sharks.
Suicide 35 off the top rock, 35 feet above the water. My mom did that jump when she was pregnant with me.
There's a raft in there? Who did that?